will look into SightSpeak FAQ, and this is the agenda for my presentation. I will show you the purpose of FAQ module, how the FAQ module looks, how to create an FAQ, how to edit an FAQ, how to delete an FAQ, and how to set page size, how it works with DNN search, showing the module as non-logged user, how to do import and export, share the module on different DNN page, and is it mobile responsive or not? So let's start. First, the purpose of FAQ module. It's to provide quick and concise answer to common queries that user may have about a product, service, and website or application. And now how the FAQ module looks. Go to your DNN website. After deploying our SightSpeak FAQ module, it will look like this. Because I have already created some FAQ, so it's visible after Create FAQ button. Below its pagination will show. Now how to create an FAQ. To create an FAQ, click on Create FAQ button. It will open a pop-up. Add FAQ title and its description, then click on Save button. After saving it, it will visible here. Now how to edit an FAQ. Go to your DNN website. For update the exist FAQ, click on pencil icon. After demo, I am adding a video word here. See, after demo, video word is here. That means it's updated your changes. Now for delete, click on delete icon. It will open a pop-up and give you a warning message. If you want to delete this record, then click on delete button. See, it's deleted your record. How to set page size. Go to edit mode and click on settings. Go to last tab, SightSpeak FAQ settings. Change your page size according to you. I am adding page size 4, then update, then close edit mode. See, it's updated your page size. Because my page size is 4, so 4 records visible here. And now how it works with search. Go to your DNN website. Let's find this content. Go to DNN search bar. See, it found that specific content. Now click on it. See, it will auto expand that specific content. Because item is in first page, so that's why this is showing active. Now click to see more results. Here all pages will show which is having same content. You can see these contents are little bit similar. And now one more interesting thing I want to show you about our SightSpeak FAQ module. Let's suppose I have two similar content in my FAQ. Now let's find this content. Go to DNN search. See, it found both same content here. Now click on it. It will auto expand the FAQ item. Now click on second item. It will auto expand above FAQ item. If I click on see more results, it will show all pages here which is having same content. Now, so that's all how SightSpeak FAQ module is working with DNN search. Showing the module as non-logged in user. Go to your DNN website. Log out from your website. See, for non-logged user, edit and delete icon is not visible, and also create FAQ button is not appearing for non-logged user, but they can expand our FAQ through plus icon, and pagination is also working for non-logged user. See how to do import and export. Go to your DNN website, go to edit mode, go to module settings, select export content, choose your folder wherever you want to export it, select the folder. I am selecting template, then click on export button. File name is SightSpeak FAQ, then export it. Now select site asset, then click on template. See, it exported our FAQ content here. Select content and download it. Now go to extension, remove your FAQ extension from DNN. This is my FAQ. I will delete it. See, it's deleted our module. Now we need to import it. Go to gear icon, select extension. We need to reinstall our extension. Then reinstall it and deploy in your DNN. See, now I have no records found downloaded. Now reinstall the extension and deploy in your DNN. Go to gear icon, select import content, select folder where you exported this one, and now I will import content because the file was already there. I will select that file, SightSpeak FAQ export, this one, and here module content is. So if you want then change some content here, then click import. See, it's loaded all the previous FAQ content.
And now share the module on different page. You can share the module on different page for testing purpose. I will show now. Go to edit mode and select the page where you want to add exist module. Our FAQ module is already existing, so I will select my contact us page. Go to edit mode and now add exist module. Here you will search for where it coming from the source page. Then select the module page and then don't make copy. Then select the module and drag it where else you want. Now you can see also have same content like my FAQ module page. And now if I will make some changes in my FAQ module page, it will auto share updated content on my second page. And now in my first FAQ content, I'm adding testing word here. Then click on save button. Now see, if you edit something in your first module page, it will auto share content in the second page. See, it's auto share the content with different page. So this is how you can share a module on different pages. And now is it mobile responsive? After logging into your mobile, it will look like this. Through slide bar, you can slide our FAQ and you can expand it through plus symbol. Here you can see edit and delete icon, and for creating a FAQ you have to click create FAQ button. This is how our pop-up will look in your mobile, and update pop-up will look how, and delete pop-up, and this is how FAQ view for admin in mobile. Now I will show how FAQ view for non-logged user. Log out from DNN. See, for non-logged user our FAQ will looks like this in mobile. They can expand it. So this is how it will looks on your phone.
These things I have showed you. That's all about our SightSpeak FAQ module. It's very easy to use and manage this module. You can buy this from DNN store. Thanks for watching this demo.